Iriwe byombe no bonchereria bokoboke imeyense wikilifu OPARANYA orarire EGEIKARO gigokwanera emerobirire bosio iri goikerania EGEIKARO kia matuko abere kie byombe no bonchereria kirobere gochigokorekana ime county ya Kisumu gochakera chitariki inye goika chitariki 5 chiumutinyi 12 omwaka oyoiga EGEIKARO iki giakorekana ime omochio Nairobi nigo giikeraniwa no mugabana bwa county ya Kisumu Professor Nyang'nyong county ya Bungoma Kenneth Lusaka amona baraibande asabonsi bakwanengwa na eyemo igoro yobuya webyombe nabayigo bonchereria.
We are having it because I know the Lake Region Economic Bloc. I was the pioneer here for the last 5 years before I handed it to Professor Nyang'nyong. I know the dynamics of our economies in that particular place.
And that I was saying that our region is agro-based. You know, we're talking about sugarcane, about maize, talking about fish, and this is where we can bring our people together because the individual struggles can now be turned into community struggles. And when it's a community struggle, when we pull together, it's easier than when you are doing it as an individual.
One of the things that I hope we shall discuss at a very extensive level is the issue. We must be very ambitious. I think we need to be very ambitious in improving infrastructure in our region.